Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about Adobe Portfolio versus Behance. Alright, let's begin. Now, Adobe Portfolio and Behance are both platforms for showcasing creative work, but they have distinct purposes and features. Starting with Adobe Portfolio, it is a website building tool that allows users to create personalized portfolio websites to display their work. It offers customizable templates and integrates seamlessly with Adobe Creative Cloud applications, making it easy to import projects directly. Adobe Portfolio is ideal for professionals seeking a polished online presence with complete control over branding. On the other hand, Behance is a social network for creative professionals that enables users to share their work, discover other creatives, and connect with potential clients. It emphasizes community engagement, allowing users to follow each other, give feedback, and participate in creative challenges. Behance is particularly useful for freelancers looking to build their network and gain visibility in the creative community. In conclusion, Adobe Portfolio is best for those wanting a customizable website for their work, while Behance is ideal for creatives seeking community engagement and networking opportunities. The choice depends on individual goals and preferences for showcasing work. So that's basically all about Adobe Portfolio versus Behance. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.